students, in integral calculus, how the integral calculus problem will be solved? Do you know the process? Do you know the techniques? Yes. How to solve? You have to recall the formula and adopt techniques. We have to recall simple formula, simple strategy and then apply. We can solve the problem by some methods that we can do, but some problems no need to have much in that. We can apply some simple methods which you have studied in lower section that could be help you to do the sums. In what way? Remember student, evaluate cos x by cos of x minus a into dx. What is the integral of cos x? That you know, sin x. What is the integral of cos a? If that a involved with the derivative, then it has meaning. If at all, if not, that would become a constant. The constant function, whenever you are integrating, you will get x plus c. That is integral dx is nothing but x plus c. But in this problem, this cos x by cos of x minus a dx, simple technique, that is, so a by b plus c. Remember, see, a by b plus c. So denominator contain two terms, numerator contain only one term. Can we split this term a by b plus c? We can't do so. But denominator a plus b by c, can we split a plus b by c? Yes, we can, because denominator involves with only one, numerator exists two terms, so that makes difference a by c plus b by c. Like this we can adopt. This is much difficulty, we cannot do so sums and we cannot simplify any problem. But the problem is given like this here. Here involves like this, a by b plus c, like this the terms are involved, because when you expand sin of x minus a, this makes a bigger term like b plus c. That means we cannot do so. That means we have to apply the process of a plus b by c. In this way I should make it the term so that the sum is simple. So this is the process that you can apply, so that any sum you can solve it without any difficulty. So here what I wish to say, cos x by cos of x minus a. So but here cos x by cos of x minus a, I should make it according to the method like this, so that it is easy for you. So this one, if I expand, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos of a minus b formula. So the cos of x minus a, cos x cos a minus sin x sin a. Whether our problem will be solved? Definitely not, because denominator involves two, numerator with only one term, that we cannot do so. Better you can make out the numerator as 2 and denominator as 1, so that sum is simple. Let us take. See this cos, I can write x minus a plus a. Shall I write like this? Shall I write like this? Yes, we can do that. So I can do this vinculum also. Cos of x minus a plus a by cos of x minus a. Dear students, one thing you must remember, cos x a plus b by cos a, like that. So that means I can split cos of a plus b. What formula do you know? Do you know what formula it is? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of, recall this formula, cos of a plus b is nothing but cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this formula helps you to do this sum. Let us do integral cos of x minus a plus a whole divided by cos of x minus a with dx. Remember, this is the one. This is nothing but a, this is nothing but b. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that helps. Cos of x minus a cos a minus cos a cos b minus, remember that formula. In the place of a there is x minus a and sin a over cos of x minus a with dx. Dear students, this is the way you can do any kind of problem, simple method, simple techniques. So, remember that integral cos of x minus a cos a over cos of x minus a negative. So, remember that everywhere I should put here dx, integral sin of x minus a by cos of x minus a with sin a and dx. Dear student, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b by cos of x minus a. Here remember that here these two terms get cancelled. Here cos a cos b, then sin a sin b here. So, in this way here we can get cancelled two terms. Here this is cos x minus a and cos x minus a. So, remaining cos a is what? Nothing but constant. You take it out of integral, cos a integral dx minus sin by cos is nothing but tan, that you know. What is the sin a is nothing but a constant, take it out of integral. So, minus sin a integral sin by cos is tan x minus a dx. Remember that cos a into dx minus sin a into tan of x minus a into dx. So, with this problem is over or not? What is the integral part of tan x? What is tan x integral? Sin x is cos x minus cos x is sin x. What about tan x? Tan x is log of secant x plus c. This is the formula you have to recall. Tan x is what? Log of secant x. Remember that. That is the way you can do that. This problem. So, here tan x means log of secant x. So, we can do here, that is cos a, that integral become like this, and x. Integral dx is nothing but x minus sin a and log of, remember that this tan x, I can apply this formula here, tan secant of x minus a plus c, constant. That constant, for both the things we can put one constant, that does not make any difference. So, cos a integral dx sin a, tan becomes log of secant of x minus a plus c. See, the problem is not yet completed. So, we can take x I, this x, no, you should not multiply with cos a, because this is an angle, this is the value. So, you cannot multiply value with angle, so that and the sum may be misinterpreted and you may not get correct answer. So, that is wrong. So, you should put x in front of the term, x into cos a minus sin a log of secant of modulus. Even if you want, if you can write as modulus log c, log of secant of x minus a plus c. So, in this way we have solved the problem. This is the actual answer for the problem. That may be different from the book also. So, but actually what we have got the answer based on the principle and the simple techniques, very simple techniques. In continue to the book, see, this is the answer that we have derived. It is absolutely correct, no doubt about it. Even if you extend this problem, if you wish to extend the problem that we can get by way of simple intuition, you can adopt. What we can do, this x only, once again the same x only we disturb. How? We can do minus a plus a. Once again we are just doing this kind of modifications with cos a minus sin a log of secant of x minus a plus c. Dear students, see, here I have done once again the same kind of techniques. So, this we can multiply, this you can multiply. By way of multiplying x minus a cos a, as what is given in the book, we have got here x minus a cos a, then plus a cos a minus sin a log of secant of modulus of x minus a plus c. Dear students, one thing you must remember, x minus a cos a involves with x, sin a log of secant of x minus a involved with x. Only two terms exist with only constants. What are they? One is c, other one is a cos c. Perfectly a constant it is. So, we can do so with that x minus cos a minus sin log of secant of x minus a plus capital C. This why I put this capital C. This capital C involves with c and a cos a, that makes the sum what is exactly given in the book. We have got the answer as it is like this. So, this is the way we can complete the sum.